Alright, so here's how I fixed my Precor EFX 5.23. After I figured out what the grinding noise was, there we go, the eddy magnet on the bottom was grinding against the disc, the eddy disc. So what I ended up doing was I took it apart. I originally thought it was going to be the bearings, so I removed the crank arms, and that cost me about $10. This little tool makes it very easy to remove the Pitman arm puller. I also went and bought 2 washers. There you go. 3/4 washers. They're about $1.50 each, so it's about $3. And I used them as spacers. So I installed one right there and one on the other side. And what this did was eliminate the movement the whole disc or the whole unit had. So it no longer moves side to side, and it no longer, since it doesn't move, there's no grinding. I also found 2 bolts on the eddy magnet on the bottom. What this allowed me to do was, after I fastened everything, I loosened them up and I was able to move the magnet. See if I can see, there it is. So it'd be perfectly spaced on both sides and not touching the disc, so there is no grinding noise anymore. So I tested it out, and there is no noise. There we go. It was fairly easy to take off. So if you have any questions, let me know. This cost me about probably no more than $20. Took it apart in about 20-30 minutes. Put it back together again, so about an hour of work. It looks more intimidating than it actually is. So that was that.